7 mindfulness practice that you can do whilst connecting to nature, or actually it is mindfulness in nature for connecting with yourself. Connect or remember your purpose, which eventually is a byproduct of this mindfulness in nature practice. So what are these 7 mindfulness in nature practices? The first 5 is actually the whole foundation. Number 6 is something that goes a little bit further, a little bit deeper. But without number 7, all the other is basically pointless. So what is this mindfulness in nature practice number 1?